Okay, we are packed. Oh, lost Asha already. 2 seconds. 2 seconds in, we've lost already. Good morning, guys. What is the time? I don't know. Ooh, 5 to 9 on the last day in Corfu. Last day in Paleokastritsa. One day. Did get woken up by the sun over the harbour. Today is mess up the bed day. Oh, no, that's not. Today is tidy up and get out of here day. Yeah, we'll be leaving here probably in a few hours, I guess. Just sort of check in, say hello. Oh, sun is that way. Today we are going to the airport, but before that, we're going to check out Old Town. So it's kind of something that has always been in the back of my head while we've been here. And I think because we've got a night flight, we're always going to try and check it out. But it looks like, we're going to have loads of time to do it. Going to catch the bus from here, from down kind of in the car park area. I think I showed you earlier in a different video. And then I think it costs about 250 to 280 euros. Maybe takes around an hour. And then, so our person that runs this place actually gave me a few tips yesterday. So Corfu Town, Old Town, is the second to last stop on the line from here. Whereas the bus station is the last stop, obviously, right? And within the bus stop, there are little lockers to put your bags and stuff. So we're thinking to go all the way there, drop our bags, and then he said it was about a 10-minute, 15-minute walk back to Old Town. So that's kind of our plan. And then we do that and then head back. And then he was saying that's about a 15-20-minute walk to the airport. So, everything's really close. Makes it really easy and hopefully pretty drama-free to try and get to the airport on time for, I think it's around 7 o'clock tonight. Probably a good thing to know, but I'm sure I'll find out as the day goes on. Anyway, guys, as the day goes on, I'll check in with you. Bye. Something. We are off to Spiros Beach, which is obviously just down the road, for our last swim in Paleokastritsa. Heading down there for our last swim. That's pretty much all we've got to report, I think, before we then rush back, or
no rushing.
Yeah, I was going to say no rushing. If we flow back to our guest house and do a final pack before getting on the bus and going to Corfu. But we'll go to the beach. I'm not going to take you in the water this time. You're just going to have to watch from the sidelines, I'm afraid. Whoop. Yes. Yo. Last little thing, swim, panoramic view. This is Spiros. I believe this is Spiros. She keeps telling me it's Spiros. I've seen a Spiros sign somewhere. But anyway, we'll say it's Spiros. And you can correct me in the comments below. It's nice, there's nobody here quite yet. So we'll just get in for a little dip. And then go in. Yeah. Okay guys, that's it. That's the water. That's the swim. Just heading back to the guest house now to have a shower, final pack, and then, well, we'll probably say goodbye to the beach as well, but then jump on the bus to Corfu Old Town. Go, go, go. Ah, so peaceful here, even with all the crazy people everywhere. Oh. Yes. Let's go. Race is on. Okay, we are packed. Oh, lost Asha already. 2 seconds. 2 seconds in, we've lost already. Yeah, we're packed. Heading to the bus, I hope. I hope. Bye. Heading to the bus, down in the car park. Gonna say goodbye to the beaches. Gonna sort out my trousers. It's an usher. Off we go, off we go, off we go, off we go. Da -da -da -da. Da -da -da. Bye beach. Bye beach. Bye beach, bye beach. Okay, so we've got our tickets. Just picked them up actually from the parking dude here. You can buy them there. Gosh, I don't know how much they cost when you get on the bus, but from there they're like €2.30, €2.30. So yeah, but maybe make sure you have at least smaller change, because he couldn't change a 50 euro note. I had to change some money. But yeah, just blah blah blah. Here's the beach. And another one. And another one. Another one. Okay, that's enough until we get on the bus, I think. Yes.